We are at 589 Fulton Street in Brooklyn, New York. This project, it's a great example of what PureModern can do. We've got very large planting systems. We've got big modular planters, edging planters, custom glass railings that had to be installed. And we've got some standard planter boxes. So this really shows the versatility that we have. One thing unique on the project was outlet receptacles that were added to the planters. So we were able to design a custom bracket for those. You can use modular planters or just individual rectangles and square planters. The modular planters are good options because of the size. We make them in individual pieces that get bolted together on the site. The final product looks like one big open planter box system. One reason to use maybe just individual planter boxes is it can be less expensive. We're very excited about this project. We've made good progress so far here, and we're excited to see what it's going to turn out.